How to grow organic lettuce perfectly. Lettuce, Lactuca sativa, is one of the easiest vegetables one can grow, and best if it is organic. It is easy to grow organic lettuce perfectly and enjoy its benefits. There are 4 main cultivars of lettuce grown. 1. Butterhead, round lettuce. 2. Iceberg, crisphead lettuce. 3. Looseleaf, leaf lettuce. 4. Romaine, cuz lettuce. The most popular lettuce cultivar grown in the US is the crisphead or iceberg lettuce, although this lettuce is also quite low in nutrients. The one most used in salads is the looseleaf, leaf lettuce. Varieties of looseleaf lettuce mature the fastest, in as little as 40 to 50 days from planting to harvest. The other cultivars take a little longer, normally from 70 to 75 days. Lettuce is best planted during spring or fall, as it is a cool season crop. They are best planted by sowing their seeds directly into tilled soil. The temperature of the soil should be below 20 degrees Celsius for smooth germination, and a soil pH of between 6 to 6.5 should be ideal. 2 weeks before the last spring frost should be alright for spring planting. Preparing the soil is a key step in growing organic lettuce. Start by turning over the soil with a hoe or a trowel till it's loose and aerated. Then add organic matter to the soil. After adding the organic matter, it's time to level the soil with a rake and let it sit for a few weeks before planting. This rest period allows nutrients to be released and the soil to become more balanced. After choosing the proper seeds, the next step is to plant them. Dig holes about 1 centimeter deep, and depending on variety, space them between 4 to 15 inches apart. Meanwhile, the rows should be about 15 inches apart. As a rough spacing guide for the cultivars: 1. Butterhead, round 8 inches apart. 2. Iceberg, crisphead 15 inches apart. 3. Looseleaf, leaf 4 inches apart. 4. Romaine, cuz 8 inches apart. Care for the seedlings after planting, watering them regularly to keep the soil moist but not soggy. When the seedlings reach about 10 centimeters in height, it's time to transplant them to their final location if you started them elsewhere. In the first weeks, take care of the seedlings so that they adapt to the new environment. Water them regularly, but avoid soaking the soil. If you notice any signs of pests or diseases, use organic remedies to control the problem. Lettuce may suffer from aphid infestation. Barrier plants that help keep aphids away from lettuce include garlic, chives, and marigold. When the leaves are well developed, you can start harvesting. Cut the lettuce at the base of the plant, leaving at least an inch of the stem so it can grow back. After harvesting, wash the lettuce under running water and store it in a tightly closed plastic bag. Growing your organic lettuce is a great way to enjoy healthy, tasty food. Remember to choose the ideal location, prepare the soil properly, choose the right seeds, take care of the plant, and know when to harvest. Thanks for watching.